Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to learn how to disable automatic Windows updates. Many times when we are working, Windows updates suddenly start, or sometimes they take too much time to complete. This can be really frustrating, and I understand that. So to disable automatic updates on your computer, we will follow only 2 simple steps, and the updates will be disabled permanently. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. In the Run box, type services.msc and click OK. Once you do that, a new window will appear. I will maximize it for a better view. Now, click on any option inside the list and press the W key on your keyboard. Scroll down and look for Windows Update. Once you find it, right-click on it and go to Properties. From here, select Disabled, then click Apply, and then OK. In this way, you can disable Windows Update. Now, if you want to disable it permanently, we need to follow the second step. Press the Windows key and R key together to open the Run window again. This time, type regedit and click OK. It will ask for permission, so click Yes. Now go to HP Local Machine. I will maximize it so you can see clearly. After that, go to Software, then look for Policies, then open Microsoft, and after that, click on Windows. Inside Windows, right-click anywhere, go to New, and click on Key. Type Windows Update and press Enter. After that, right-click on Windows Update, go to New, select Key, type AU, and press Enter. Now select the AU folder. On the right side, right-click, go to New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it No Auto Update. Make sure there are no spaces in the name. Once you type it, press Enter. Now double-click on No Auto Update, set the value to 1 to disable updates, and click OK. In this way, you have successfully disabled Windows Update permanently on your Windows 10, 8, or 7 computer. Guys, if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.